in this quick guide, I will show you how to create a Zara account on your Android. So let's get started. First, open the Zara app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, head to the Play Store and search for Zara to install it. Once you're inside the app, tap onto the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the login and the registration screen. Now tap on Register to create a new account. You will be asked to fill in a few details. You can enter your full name, email address, and password. Make sure everything is accurate. Then choose your country or region. Now agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap Create Account. Now that's it. You are officially the part of the Zara community now. Enjoy shopping and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.